actually had Jotona body manager Apun Bali, Kabe Kuwaiko. Oliver Zapoma, the manager of Apun Bali. Unfortunately, Honorable PDADC Chairman, one of the manager of Apun Bali. Bodiyagulo, MDC, Brahmana, senior leaders, ex-MLA, ex-CM, ex-MDC, three committee members in the board, Brahmana and Brahmana. Those CWC members, manager of the